Welcome to everybody. Today I am going to show how to repair a video file which is damaged or corrupted or unreadable. You can see the video file. Before that, please subscribe my channel, like and subscribe my channel for latest updates. You can see the video file, corrupted video file. See, it's not opening. So it's showing some error. So for this we have to download a software tool. Go to Google and type video repair tool. So you can see the thing here. Here, the software video repair tool, crank up. So open that, scroll down, and find this download link, 58 MB file. Click that. Save the file in desktop. Save. Close this. You see this file. Open a new folder. Copy that to the new folder and extract that. This is a free version software. So in this it will convert to only 50% of the file. So if you purchase this software, it will convert completely. For that we have to do a trick. For that, what you have to do is open a new folder and name it as yes source, and this is the corrupted video file. You can see that. Copy this file, open that folder, paste on that file, on that folder. And name it as AV1. Rename it as AV1. AV, rename it as AV1, and copy the same file again and paste that file here and rename that file as AV2. Okay. Then we have to merge these two files. So for that, go to command from it. For that, okay, command from it. And before that, one more thing you have to do is copy this and paste it in any of one drive. I am copying that folder in E drive. Okay. Then what you have to do is, see, I copied that in E drive. So here what you have to do is go to E drive, E, equivalent, enter. Then CD space equivalent slash yes, enter. Then copy slash D space AV1 AV1 dot MP4. That file extension you have to give very carefully, because if it is, this is an AV file, MB4 file, so I am giving the extension as MB4. If it's a wave file or any other file, you have to give the that extension very carefully. Okay, plus AV2 dot MP4. Okay, before that you can see the size of the file. See, both files you can see 1.25 GB and 1.25 GB. Okay, now click in that. So that got merged. So same file I am merging, I am copying twice. Okay, it's merged. Now you can see the thing. See, see, now you can see that file. See, this is 1.25 MB. This is merged 2.52. Got doubled. Okay, close this. What you have to do is, then you have to come to that software. Open that software. You can see this here. Open GS.exe file. Open that software. Choose English. Give OK. So you can see here, because of this only we are merging that same file. You can see only this software will convert only 50% of the file, because this trial version of software. So that's why we are merging the same file, and we are recording that. So we will get the full video. Okay, give OK. So this software got opened. So choose, select that file which we have merged. So see, 2.52 GB doubled. You have to select the doubled file. Okay, save, open, and you have to give a reference video. The reference video should be shooted by the same device. If you are shooted by a mobile means, a Samsung mobile means, the same a working file you have to choose from the same Samsung mobile. Okay. So I have shoot out from my mobile. If camcorder file got corrupted means you can choose a working file as reference. So I am choosing a reference file from the desktop which I have copied here. You can see that. This one, this is a file. Say open, and both got, see, reference file we have selected and corrupted file we have selected. Okay, say scan. This will take a few minutes. The time actually, if the video is bigger video, it will take more time. The time frame depends upon the size of the video. Okay, wait a while. Getting converted. So this is a very easy method. So you can convert any corrupted video file, repair any corrupted video file by using this software. Wait a while. This is very useful for studio people. So please like and subscribe this video so that I can and write to us for any technical issues. We will help you out. Yeah, it's got repaired. Now you can see that file. So we're in E drive, video repaired. See, you can see that AV1 file. See, now it is working. So you can see the video is working. And one more thing I have to show you. See the size of the file. Properties 1.26 GB. Okay, you can see this size also. Properties 1.26 GB. So we have repaired the full video. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and like my video and write queries. If you have any questions, please write to us so that we can help you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.